Good morning, friends. Okay, today is the day. Either today or tomorrow. I'm not entirely sure, but we're leaving base camp and we're gonna head back out on the road. But first, gotta pack. I'll admit, when I first got here, I had to just pretty much rip everything out of my car and because I want to reorganize. But as you can see, everything's just kind of strewn everywhere, like no rhyme or reason. So I got a lot to do. First things first, gonna take care of laundry. Yep, just a little bit of laundry that we've accumulated from the week, so I want to get that taken care of and then I can start packing. And look!
Hi guys!
There she is, hard at work.
Always.
What you working on?
I'm actually editing a video about some of our adventures here in Vegas.
Awesome! Yeah.
I'm also posting a short.
Oh, cool. She's staying in the guest room right now, and if you look out this big, beautiful window, there's our vans! Slash.
So cozy!
I know, I'm really gonna kind of miss having reliable showers and Wi-Fi. And who do we have to help us today but cute little baby Tyson? You gonna help mommy pack? Huh? You gonna help me pack? Oh. I think the easiest thing to start with would be like my clothes and stuff because the rest of it is just super daunting. So if you haven't seen my capsule wardrobe video, I'll link it somewhere up above or it's in the description box below. But let's get to it. Alright, so I'm just waiting on my laundry to finish so I can pack the rest of my clothes. Next up, I'm going to try to tackle this thing. This basket just had a whole bunch of like miscellaneous things that I was tossing in here. It was organized at some point, but I think during my travels, it just became kind of like the basket that I tossed everything into. I realized that I don't really like this. As you can see, it's just clutter. And I'm gonna try to downsize and get rid of this entire basket. Okay. Now that I've cleared out this box, I'm gonna see which of this stuff I actually want to take with me. Okay, so I have a pretty bad habit as a minimalist. I love to collect backpacks, right? And I don't carry them all with me on the road, but I'm beginning to think that any kind of like boxes or cube-shaped storage items or whatever, they just tend to take up space. So now I'm going to try to stuff things into like bags or backpacks and see if that feels a little bit better when I come to organize my car. So to stuff all of my camera equipment, like all the random hard drives or wires or even batteries or whatever, I'm gonna see if I can't fit it in this tiny little like black backpack purse that I got on Amazon forever ago. I don't really use it anymore, but I think I can turn this into kind of like my camera bag. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so going out to the car right now. First things first, we're gonna try to vacuum. I have collected a whole bunch of dust and stuff from all my travels the last month or so, and we are going to attempt to vacuum. It always feels really good to do a deep clean. So this is the current state of the car right now. It's empty for the most part, and it's just kind of a mess. I just found the carcass of the dead jumping spider that freaked me out in here a couple weeks ago. So that solved that mystery. I should have done this in the first place, but I just took everything out of my car so that I could start from scratch basically and reorganize. And look at the pile that's just sitting on the ground right now. I don't know what I'm doing. So I realized as I'm filming this on my phone that I was starting to run out of battery, but guess what? I have my new, oh, this is so heavy, my new Jackery. So we're going to not only plug in my phone, but also see where I can put the Jackery in my car.
A few moments later.
So I haven't figured it out yet, because it's big. Right now it's sitting back there. I may end up just leaving it there. Usually I have it right up here in my passenger seat area, but I haven't quite figured out how I want to configure everything in here yet, so still a work in progress. Okay. Okay, it's slowly coming together. I think this is, so my bed obviously goes here. My fridge, I like where it is over there. And I think I'll keep the power station over here, and this spot will just be like miscellaneous items. And then most everything I've decided I'm going to put into my roof box. Like just stuff that I don't use that often. I'll have to do a tour of what's in my roof box soon. inside, it started to get a little overwhelming, and so I decided to come inside and take a break and check out what Bunny is doing. Looks like she's just
Resting.
resting.
So tired. My head hurts.
Oh no. Hi Tyson. How's it going? Ooh, what you doing, baby? Alright, so right now it's kind of a mess up there too. But this is what I have in my roof box so far. It's mostly just like, I have a camp table, a stool, some camp chairs, and extra shoes, my cooking stove, and then these are some of my pop-up tents that I got, I think last summer. I don't know that I'm gonna bring them with me this time because I don't use them that much. So I'm going to take a tip, some advice from Bunny. She said that she just stuffs her extras in her roof box. So go check out her channel to see her version of like what's in her roof box. But this is what I have in here so far. And I think I'm going to change it up. I'm going to put some extra stuff up here. And to do that, I'll need to kind of reorganize and take everything out again. Before I lose daylight, I'm going to show you what was in my roof box, and then later I'll show you what I'm going to take out and put in there instead. I had 2 Jackery solar panels, a camp table, my stepping stool, which I love, my foldable pop-up fire pit thing, an avocado camp chair, camp stove, and some extra shoes. Here is what was also in the roof box that I'm actually going to take out for this trip. So these were the Wolf-Wise pop-up tents. This one was like the changing room tent, and the one under it was the beach tent. This was my toilet, but I actually don't really use it anymore, so I think I'm going to take that out of the equation. And I also had a Rock Pal solar panel. Now, I really do love this, so I might take this along, but since I already still have like the 2 Jackery panels there, I may just stick with that instead and then worry about this later. And this was my old chair. This was my taco chair. It was very uncomfortable, so I replaced it with the avocado chair. And then this I was gifted. It's never been used before. It's completely brand new. This is my solar shower. I just shower at Planet Fitness or truck stop showers mostly, and it's too cold in the wintertime now to even like think about showering outside. So I'm also going to leave this back home at base camp. Since I don't have a dry bag, I've been using old backpacks I've had, like I said earlier. So what's in here is like extra toilet paper, tissue boxes, stuff like that. And in here I have all my laundry materials. So this is going to go in the roof box because it's not an everyday kind of thing. sky's getting darker. It actually kind of looks like it might rain tonight, so I doubt we'll be leaving tonight. All right, friends, so that's what's in my roof box. Here's the final look. Okay, that's it for the roof box, and for the most part, that's it on most of the packing. All I really have to put in there now are just my clothes. So I think I'll end the video over here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful, or at least got a chuckle out of my chaos for the day. Anywho, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, share with all your friends. It would really help out Tyson and I. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the road. Bye!